Hello everyone, welcome back to another Cricut DIY Wednesday. And here is our first DIY. Okay, I'm going to take these tumbling tower blocks that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using some E6000 to help glue them together. So I'm just going to arrange them into a pattern that I want, and we're just going to glue them all together. Now you can use wood glue, which I don't have any, so I'm just using the E6000. Hey everyone, I am your host, Petalisbless. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you two easy and glam candle holders or even accent pieces that we can do, one using with our Cricut and the other one just with some dollar store and more items. Hey everyone, I got some new items from Beebeecraft. And I like to share with you whenever I get in new stuff. So I'm just quickly going to show you what I got. I got some more blank sheets and some more bling wraps, and bling ribbons I should say, in black, silver, gold. And I got some mirrored blue tiles. Yeah. And I got some more of the ribbons in pink and silver here. And this other pink and silver pattern. This one has some little rhinestones going around the edge. I love it. And I got some vinyl. Some iron-on vinyl. Yeah, Beebeecraft has that. So I'm going to try that out. So I took some in black. And I also got some of their charms. They have charms for your charm bracelet. And here's how the charms look. I put them on my charm bracelet. I love it. They have different colors, different styles. I ordered this one. I wanted one in white, so I ordered the white color with a little bit of bling in there, silver bling. Hope you can see that. I love it. Absolutely nice. So they have charms for your charm bracelet. So I will leave a link down below to Beebeecraft so you guys can go over and check them out, and hopefully you see something that you like and you can get for yourself too. Okay, now that our image is all dry, I am going to use some white paint and just paint it. And I might need 2 coats of paint or maybe just one. And when I'm done, I'll just set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so now our base is all dry, and I did go back with 2 coats. So now I'm going to be using some of this blue mirror tiles. And we are just going to deck out our base. Now they do come with self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to place it down onto our base. Now I have this vase that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this gold glam ribbon going right around our vase, and I'll just be using some hot glue to glue it down. Okay, now that our ribbon pattern is done, I'm going to go in with some more of our blue mirror tiles and just place it around our vase. And now the same pattern I did on the front, I'll be doing it on the back. And here's our finished look. A nice, quick and easy candle holder or accent piece. I think it looks lovely. I love the base that it's on, and I love the mirrored blue tiles. Don't they look nice? OMG. They look absolutely lovely next to the gold. I think it will make a lovely refresh decor for this spring summer for your home, or even as a gift for that special person. And here it is with a candle inside. And here is how it looks with the lights out. It's daylight, so it's not too dark in my home, but I said let me just show you how it will look lovely with a candle lit inside of our decor, which I think it does look lovely. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Okay, for DIY number 2, again, we're using the building blocks from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to build another base. And I'll be using some E6000 to glue our base together. Okay, now our base is all done. I'll be using some black paint to paint our base all black. And when I'm all done, I will set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, here is our base, and it's all dry. So I'm going to be using some of the blue mirror tiles again to decorate our base. Okay, I'm going to go into design space now to get a pattern to put on our vase. Okay, I like this little pattern here. So I have it here, and I am going to duplicate it. And with this one, I'm going to size it a little bigger because I want one small and I want some of them big. So I'm just resizing it to the size I want. And now I'm going to duplicate this one 2 more times because I want 3 of this size pattern. And I'm just going to move them over. And then I'm going to go over and press make it. And then I'm going to print, select on a mat, and then select the material, which is Smart Removable Vinyl. And then I'm going to press more. Now I had to go back in and select without a mat. I forgot that I wasn't doing it on a mat. So anyways, I went back in and did that. And now the machine is getting ready to cut my pattern. And I'll be using some blue removable vinyl. And for the next pattern, I'm using some black removable vinyl because it's a 2-pattern design. So just make sure that your vinyl is in the 2 little side tabs, and then you select to cut your pattern. And now I am just weeding the vinyl. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the black vinyl. I just cut them into the different squares that I needed. And now I am weeding the pattern. This pattern has a lot of small pieces, so I just have to take my time and weed each one. Now we have our vase here that we'll be using. And I'll be adding some of this GLAM black ribbon. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue down the ribbon onto our vase. Okay, next I'll be adding some of this silver GLAM sheet, which I cut into strips. And this does come with a self-adhesive on the back, so we're just adding it to our vase. And now I'm adding some of our blue mirror tiles to our decor on the vase. Now it's time to put our pattern together. Remember I told you it's layered, so I'm going to place this one on the transfer tape first, and then we're going to just burnish it down, scrape it well, the front and also on the back, and then remove it. There we go. And now we are going to layer it over this one. It's my first time doing this. Wish me luck. So there, we got it on. Now I'm burnishing it down. Scrape it well, front and the back. And remove it. Hey, yay! I did it. I did it. I did it. All right. Okay, so now we're going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface of our vase where we want to put down our little design. And now we're going to place it down. So now I'm just going to burnish it down. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Make sure it adheres to our glass. And then we just peel it back. Oh, great. I love how that looks. OMG. So now we're going to do another one. This is the bigger one. Remember I had one small and 3 big ones. Same thing again. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Take it apart. Add it over our next image. And take it apart. There we go. And now again, clean our surface and place it onto our surface. And burnish it down. And then just peel back. Oh, doesn't that look nice? I'm doing the other side. Same thing again. And then peel it back. And there we go. I think it looks lovely. And I'll be adding one more to the back. And here is our finished look. Doesn't it look lovely? OMG, I love how it turned out. The blue mirrored tiles, the black, the silver, OMG. And our Cricut pattern looks very nice. It looks beautiful. I love how it turned out. I love all these beautiful pieces from Beebeecraft. And I will have a link below, like I told you before, that you can go over and check out these items. And if you like, you can get some and do some DIYs with them. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's both DIYs, project number 1 and project number 2. I love number 2 the best. Tell me which one you like the best. If you're new here, I'd like to say welcome. And I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY, which I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.